Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a wild crystal mystery box to show you guys. Do you want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I do the Tamed Wild box, the subscription box, and I show you guys what I receive in my box, and I always tell you they have different style boxes on their website, and they also have surprise me mystery boxes. So I wanted to purchase a surprise me mystery box to show you guys. So if you're not comfortable with going straight to the subscription, at least you'll know what you could quite possibly get if you just get the mystery box. Now the mystery box is $30 from their website. I will leave their website down below, and let's go ahead and dive in and see what I got. I love me a good mystery, so let's see. This did come in a mailer I removed, and this is the box that is inside. So let's go ahead and see what we have. All right. Ooh, how to charge your crystals. This is something that I have not got in my normal box, and this is something very good to have because I thought the only thing that I've heard so far is how to charge your crystals is by moonlight or by digging them in the dirt or putting them in the dirt, but there's some that can't go in the dirt and there's some that cannot get wet. So this shows you how to charge your crystals: sunlight, moonlight, incense, candlelight, water, sound, soil, visualization, other crystals, internal breath, physical contact, and sea salt. So that is really handy to keep on hand, and then you have a reference to go by to see what you can do to charge your crystals. So that's awesome. I love that. Then we have the 2019 moon calendar. That is awesome. Again, something I normally don't get in my normal subscription. So I do like that. Now let's go ahead and see. And there's a sticker that says fire. And I see tons of little bags in here. Not tons, but there's quite a few little bags in here. So let's go ahead and go right on top. And this says rainbow moonstone. So that should be what is inside of here. Let's see. All right. So there's two different styles, well, two different variations of the rainbow moonstone. So there is that. So we have this one that looks like a marble effect. That's so pretty. And then this one that's more almost just white with just a little tinge of like the grayish color in there. So two different ones, but these are both the, was it rainbow moonstone? And I do have a crystal book, like a guidebook, so I can at least, now I know what these are called, I can go to the book and read up more about it. Next in here, we have a no name. Let's see what this is. Ooh. You see all the different layers? Like, let me see if you can get that. That is so pretty. Ooh, look at that side. That is so pretty. Look at that. I don't know what in the world this is. If any of you guys know what this is, let me know, because this came out of a non-named bag. So this is definitely a mystery to me. But if any of you guys know what this is, that is just so pretty. I wish you could see all of the different layers on this backing. That is so pretty. So we have this guy, which I would love to know what it is. So then next we have is an amethyst. I show you back here, like you can read that. And I do have amethyst. So let's see what we're getting. Ooh, that is pretty. I don't have one quite like that. So this is an amethyst. That is so pretty. And it's shaped to where you could probably set it. Yeah, it'll sit just like that too. That's so pretty. So we have an amethyst. This says clear quartz. That's a good size. That's a big one. That's so pretty. And if you were to set it like that, that's so pretty. Look at that. So here's a clear quartz. Next we have, ooh, this is a cute bag. Look at this bag. And it says Tamed Wild. And this is a howlite. Not sure how to say that, but let's see what it looks like. This is a big one. This is bigger than all of them. Whoa, look at that. That is so pretty. What? That is so pretty. There's that. Looks kind of like a piece of marble. That is so pretty. How many times did I say that already? It's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I think that's really pretty. I like that. I need to look up in my book and see what to do with these things. That's a big chunk. That's a big piece. Okay, and the last item in here is in this little box right here. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, and this says that this is red jasper. And it is a necklace with red jasper. There's a flat side, and then there's that. That is so pretty. Okay, so in this mystery box, again, it's a mystery, so if you order, you're probably not going to receive the exact same things that I did because it is a mystery. That is why they call it a mystery. So I got the necklace, that big old hunka piece of howlite. We got the clear quartz, we got the amethyst, the moonstone, and this very pretty piece of something that I don't know what it is, and I'm hoping maybe one of you guys do and you'll let me know. But that is so pretty. I love that. Look at that. That is so cool. So that is everything that came in this mystery bag or box. Again, all you have to do is go on their website and you can go under the subscriptions and you can see where you have the subscription, or there's the surprise me. They have a few other ones that they have, like the surprise me mystery boxes or like a one-time box. They also have where you can purchase things directly through their store, like tarot cards or other crystals or anything you can buy individually and have them shipped directly to you. So definitely check it out. I believe they even have chakra stones or crystals and bags and all kinds of things. So definitely check out their site if you would like. Again, the link will be down below. And if any of you do know what this is, please let me know. And if you have any other comments about any of these other stones or crystals to tell me about, please let me know that as well. The amethyst, yes, I know what the amethyst is. The clear quartz, I have quite a few of, but these other ones, I have no clue, especially this big old guy in here, which this is a really cute bag. This one's a really cute bag. Like these burlap, sometimes the little fibers go all over the place, but this one is just like a completely different material. And I like that little design. It looks kind of like a dream catcher with little feathers hanging. So that is really, really cute. Tamed Wild with their company logo. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have to show you for today. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it if you stick around and see the videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.